At Denray, we've designed 3 types of machines to control dust into your work environment. Our American-built downdraft tables, dust booths, or backdraft machines are specifically made to control dust during sanding, routing, cutting, or finishing, and can filter dust from wood, fiberglass, plastic, and even metal debris from welding and grinding. We use a jet pulse cleaning system that filters particles as small as a half a micron. That's over 200 times smaller than the diameter of human hair. We design dust solutions for many applications, from the small hobby shop to the large-scale factory. And we can also custom design or retrofit any of our machines to work with your facility. For custom applications, we research your specific needs, then we design your custom machine. Finally, we send you several views in 3D CAD showing exactly what it will look like installed in your existing facility. To view our machines, click one of the product lines to the right and follow the link. From there, choose your application from the drop-down menu and click Submit. For more information, submit your questions to the Request Info page from the link above, or use the Dealers page to find a Denray dealer near you.